Hello, my name is Gerhard Welker and I am part of the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Product Management team. Today I will give you an overview of the 1808 release updates for SAP S/4HANA Cloud in the area of manufacturing. First, let me highlight our new capacity planning. With the app Manage Work Center Capacities, you can visualize the capacities of work centers and the loads on work centers. The app provides you with an ability to detect and resolve overload situations. For a work center, you balance several factors to ensure that you are optimally utilizing its capacity. Second, coming to demand-driven replenishment. Our intelligent approach to ensure best possible customer service levels at lowest possible inventory costs. Demand-driven replenishment helps you plan and manage supply chains efficiently based on customer demand. You do this by strategically decoupling material flows and by protecting the flow through dynamically managed buffer levels for relevant products. In 1808, the buffer positioning is visualized by a network graphic, which enables the production planner to easily display the position of decoupling points in a multi-level bill of materials, respectively along the supply chain. This innovation simplifies the analysis to relocate and reorganize decoupling points. In addition, we now offer a machine learning service which supports the prediction of lead times for stock transfer materials. These machine learning capabilities allow a better estimate of stock transfer lead time, thereby better sizing of buffers, means better service levels, and potentially also lower bound capital in inventory. Third, let me highlight our new characteristic analytics apps in quality management. With these analytical object pages, the quality engineer can analyze accepted and rejected inspections on characteristic level with respect to different KPIs such as value under and value over tolerance, and drill down by accounting for additional parameters, for example, plant, material, and work center. The analytical capabilities of these pages provide high-level insights for the quality engineer to understand the key figures. The user can drill down to act on a variety of inspection-related information. Finally, I want to share with you the next milestone in advanced variant configuration. The enabling of multi-level configuration, which allows you to model complex, multi-level configurable products. If you want to learn more about manufacturing as a part of our SAP S/4HANA Cloud 1808 release, visit blogs.sap.com and read my blog. You can find all this information and more on sap.com/s4-cloud release. Thanks for tuning in.